question you completed.
Okay.
Give me
So
one
there
minute.
was some mistake in the solution part. I'm sharing it.
Sure.
Okay, first of all, in question number 3, I think, yes, this is question number 3. Average profit you have calculated, which is correct. You can see the screen.
Yeah, wait, so wait. Yes, question number 3. Okay, you are posing question number 3. Yes.
Okay. Now, in this question, you have calculated average profit 17,000 plus 15,000 plus 13,000 divided by 3, which is correct. After that, this PK profit share from January to
31st May.
yes. So 31st May 2016. Now you have written 15,000 into 5 by 3 into 3 by 10. Why 3 you used as denominator?
3 I used like for this one. What that time what I have right there. Oh, folks. 3 somewhere is given. That's why I used the 3 weights. I will open the question.
Your answer you got, however, I don't know how you got your answer 1875, which is correct. But as per formula that you have applied here, it will be
Yeah,
a different amount.
just a minute, just a minute. Let's calculate the current year account this one. From where I get 3, na?
Yes.
3 is given there, na? Like average profit I have written in the first one. Profit for the last 3 years, then divided by 3.
So 5 months divided by 3.
Yeah, I have written there.
Okay. What formula I have told you to use?
For average
This is the
profit, you
time
have,
basis. This is the time basis.
yeah. This one is time basis.
Okay. Now the formula is written here. You can see
Just a minute.
previous year profit or average profit, whatever,
Yeah.
into
Oh, this
time
one.
period divided by 12 or 65, 365.
Sir.
If you
Can
have
you show me, sir?
5
Can you
months
show me
here,
the previous question? No. Can you show me your previous question of the
just
second method we have done,
listen
the
first.
first method?
Listen first. What I am saying that the formula is time period, which is 5 months you have taken, divided by 12 or 365.
Yes.
Okay, whenever you use time factor in any formula, then denominator used is either 12 or 365 based on month or days. So in this case, you have used 5 by 3. Just calculate it first. 15,000 into 5 by 3 into 3 by 10. Calculate it.
Just a minute. 1 5 0 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 then multiplied by 3 divided by 10. What mistake I have done? Which one you are asking? You are asking about the before the PA one, this one, na? Like PK after I have written.
You have used this one.
Yeah.
So I'm saying to you, write 15,000 into 5 by 3 into 3 by 10 and calculate the amount and tell me.
5 by 3 from where are you? Which?
No, I don't know where you get it. Just calculate the amount. Tell me.
With that I get wrong. Why? That time I read get something else. This time I get something
Vivek,
else.
what I'm asking.
Yeah, well, with that one I'm calculating.
So calculate it first. Tell me the amount, then decide where you get it.
With that thing I am doing like the with my one that one I getting 7,500.
1875.
No 7,500 for that I have done there.
7500. Yes.
Yeah.
Now tell me how you have written this amount.
That's I'm thinking. Yeah. Like that time I'm doing that time I get this one. It's something else
So
I get to it.
you know about the answer. Have you seen the answer somewhere and you have
No
just written
sir.
the answer
No.
without calculating?
No, I have calculated that time with in the ref somewhere. That time I get this thing. Well, I think it three I have not three are using. I seen this question in the first case I have seen. The we have done one on this question one. That one I have seen
I,
with that thing I have done that thing. That this question.
I have uploaded it with the note that the student needs to revisit the concept and works on calculation. But when it will happen again, I will write plagiarism means you are copying from someone else. Okay.
Okay.
This should not happen again. Means if you are writing something, then you should write the exact answer of that calculation, not the other amount, not the exact answer that is given somewhere. Okay.
Yes. Just should be on my.
The formula you should use is this.
Yeah, like instead of three I have to use 12.
Yes. Then
I get it. I get it.
your
No, with
answer.
the I'm what I'm saying like okay. I get it. I get it. I get it. Mistakes. I get it. This three is not going to.
Okay. You remember how to prepare capital account, I think.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm sharing a question right now. In retiring partner amount payable. This is adjustment of capital. Yes, this is the amount payable to retiring partner. Same thing, same calculation we have to do in calculation of amount payable to deceased partner's executor, because in case of retiring partner, we pay the amount to retiring partner, but in case of deceased partner, we pay the amount to his legal representative, executor, son, any other relative, or someone else. Okay. So amount payable to deceased partner's executor. Two methods, it will be same. Either you can prepare a statement or you can prepare capital account. Okay. So for preparation of a statement, this is the method you have to use. Opening balance of capital, share in profit and reserve, share in revaluation profit, share in value of goodwill. Uh, these items will be added. Then share in loss will be deducted, share in existing goodwill will be deducted, and share in revaluation loss will be deducted.
The
So
same
these,
thing.
yes, same thing will happen here also, but you have to just write different thing here. Heading: calculation of amount payable to deceased partner.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the same thing. Calculation of amount payable to executor of deceased partner. You have to write the heading different. All other things will be same. Okay. After that, this is the statement form. Now you can prepare the capital format like uh, this one. No, this is the loan account. Where is the capital account? Okay, capital account, actually, I have not written here the format because we have already discussed the capital account so many times in different topics. Like in capital account, credit side, all these items will go, all these items will go on the credit side of capital account. And all
Yes,
these
sir.
items will go on the debit side of capital account. So this is how we prepare capital account.
Okay.
Today is 20th October. Settlement of account. So first of all, uh, amount payable to executor of deceased partner. Executor of deceased partner. And then after preparing capital account, this balance in capital account will be transferred to executor loan account. You remember the concept of retiring partners loan account?
Yes, sir.
In the same manner, what we are going to do here, we have done things in retiring partner capital account. So at the end of the year or at the time of his retirement, we prepare capital account of retiring partner, then calculate the amount payable. After calculation of amount payable, if we are paying something in cash, then we pay it, and the balance is transferred to his loan account. And then we prepare retiring partner's loan account. Okay. So same thing will happen here also. You have to prepare capital account and loan account, or question can be asked like prepare only capital account or prepare only executor loan account. That's it. So I'm sharing two questions here actually. One is only about capital account and the other is so here it is. Can you see question number 56 here?
No, sir.
Okay. Tell me when you see it.
No, I can see only board right now. Loading. Just is loading right now. So can you please share it again? It's stuck. Just stuck it. I started screen sharing. Yes.
Okay, so the first question, PQR were partners in a firm sharing profit in 2:2:1. The partnership deed provided that on death of a partner, his executor will be entitled to the following. So these are the things that will be written in capital account. First, his capital balance, whatever the amount is. Then interest on capital at the rate 12% per annum. So interest on capital will be calculated up to, you have to remember this, up to 31st May only. From the previous year end, that is 31st March 2016, you have to calculate up to 31st May. So you have to calculate this interest for 2 months only. Okay.
Not get it, sir. Can you please tell again?
Okay. He died on 31st May. Okay.
Okay.
It is written here. P died on 31st May 2016. His capital was 80,000. He had withdrawn 15,000 and interest on his drawing was calculated as 12. So you don't have to calculate interest on drawing. It is already given in the quotient, 1200. Okay.
Okay.
And year is ending on 31st March 2016. Okay. So up to this point, interest is already paid. It means after this point, there is only 2 months, 31st March, then 30th April, 1 month, and then 31st May, 2 months, because he died on 31st May. So there is only 2 month gap from previous year end up to his date of death. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if there is only 2 month gap, then this interest on capital of 12% per annum should be calculated for 2 months only.
Yes.
So that's what I'm saying. So interest on capital will be calculated for 2 months only.
2 months only.
Okay. Next is interest on drawing, which is amount is
Or
already given,
it's
so you
already
don't
given.
calculate.
Yeah, it's already given.
Yes. Salary of 12,000 per annum means this salary is related to 1 year.
Yeah. So we have to take it per month.
Yes, you have to convert it into per month and then you have to take for 2 months only.
The 4 month we have to do it 1/2.
1/2.
Sorry, 12,000 multiplied by 2. We have taken for
For
2 months
2
only.
months, it will be 12,000 into 2/12.
Yeah. So 12,
After that,
okay, months.
share in profit, you have to give in the same manner that we have calculated. It is time basis. So we will calculate current year profit also. And these things will be written. Interest on capital, salary, and his share of profit will be on the credit side. Interest on drawing will be on the debit side. There
Debit
is
side.
one more thing which is written here. He had withdrawn 15,000. So he had withdrawn 15,000. It means 15,000 will be on the debit side of his capital account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the previous year profit is given. So on the basis of this, we have to calculate current year profit. After that, you have to prepare the capital account by taking all these items into account. Can you do this?
Yes, sure. I'll try.
Okay. No, not yet. I'm just asking. Can you solve this question by yourself?
Yes, I can try.
Okay, then wait. Uh, Now question number 64, you can see here.
Yes.
R, S, and T were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:2, respectively, on 31st March 2016. Their balance sheet stood as sundry creditors 40,000, bills payable 15,000, workmen compensation reserve 30,000. Capital account of R, S, and T 1,50,000, 1,25,000, and 75,000. So total 350. Goodwill, leasehold, patent, machinery, stock, debtors, cash at bank. So all these items will be adjusted in balance sheet. So there is only three items that we have to include in capital account. One is capital account balance, then workman compensation reserve, and here is the goodwill.
Goodwill.
So these three things will go in capital account. Now, T died on 1st August 2016. Year is closing on 31st March and he died on 1st August. So, April, May, June, and July. There will be 4 months calculation for everything like interest on capital, profit for current year. Yes, so 4 month calculation is required. Now, it is written here goodwill be valued at 2.5 years purchase of average of last 4 year profit, which were this one. So we will calculate the average profit from here. Okay. Machinery we valued at 1,40,000. Patent we valued at 40,000. Leasehold we valued at 1,25,000. So these are for revaluation account. Understood? Vivek?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have done goodwill also in previous questions and this revaluation part also. For the purpose of calculating T share in profit of 2016-17, the profit in 2016-17 should be taken to have accrued on the same scale as in 2015-16. So first of all, you have to see what is the profit of 2015-16. It is 75,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So on the basis of this 75,000, you have to calculate current year profit.
Okay.
A sum of 21,000 to be paid immediately to the executor of T and the balance to be paid in 4 equal half yearly installment together with interest 10% per annum. Okay. So we have to prepare capital account here. of T only. If I calculate T capital, then actually it is written here in answer. You can see amount transferred to T executor account 1,21,000. Yes.
Yes, yes.
So I am preparing executor loan account on the basis of this amount.
What sir can?
Just 1 minute.
Okay, you're solving that question, yeah?
No, I'm solving one part of that question, not the whole question.
This big balance sheet.
No, this is
Okay.
not balance sheet.
Partnership. No, then what you're making?
Actually, this is ledger account form.
Okay. Date particular, LF amount, date particular LF amount.
Yes.
We have to prepare particular account also here.
This is executed loan account.
Okay, sir.
Date particular JF amount, date particular JF amount. This is T executor loan account. Actually, T executor's loan account. So first of all, amount which is transferred from capital account here. So by T capital account, 1,21,000 balance which I got from answer. This is written here. You can see 21,000.
But sir, it will not given in the this one exam format. Then how to find?
It will be
It will not given in the exam like in exam question. The
no,
answer
no.
will be.
I am preparing only one account because that is confusing. That's why I have taken this amount as base. But in this
Okay.
question, there will be a capital account which will be prepared by you, and you will calculate this amount 1,21,000. Not clear?
Now clear, sir.
I'm saying that in this question, two things is required. One, preparing capital account and finding the balance payable. And the second is executor loan account.
Okay, then you're preparing execution loan account.
Yes, the first step I have, you can say, uh, omitted for you, means you have to prepare capital account and find this amount.
किधर लिखा हुआ है?
If
5,000.
if it was not given, then
Yeah.
I have to prepare the capital account and then I have to prepare executor account. Simple. But in this question, answer is given, so I have taken this answer for my solution. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, okay.
So by T capital, 1,21,000, and in the question it is said that on the date of his death, 21,000 is paid immediately. So on 1st August 2016, to cash account 21,000 paid immediately. After that, all the amount and the balance to be paid in 4 equal half yearly installment. Half yearly installment with interest 10% per annum. Now, what does it mean by half yearly installment? Means at the end of each half year, we have to pay the amount. Okay?
How, sir? Like, can you tell again?
Yes.
Can you please tell again what you said?
I said that in this question, it is said that the balance amount will be paid in 4 equal half yearly installments.
Okay.
So we will pay on the half yearly basis. First of all, the balance payable is 1,21,000 was total amount payable and 21,000 paid immediately. So the balance payable is 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Okay. Now 1 lakh is the principal amount payable. So principal in every installment. Total 4 installment is there. So principal in every installment will be 1 lakh divided by 4. It means 25,000 in each installment along with interest plus interest. So interest we have to calculate every year. Now, first installment will be paid on 30th September, then 31st March, then again 30th September, and then 31st March. Okay.
Wait, so 1 lakh principal of every installment and 4. Okay. Can we get this thing plus interest?
It is said in the portion
Yeah.
balance to be paid in 4 equal half yearly installment together with interest.
Okay, sir.
So interest will be calculated in every installment. Now, the first installment will be paid on
This one.
30th September.
31st September, then 31st
Yes.
October.
No. Then the next half yearly installment means every half year the first payment will be. So if the first payment is on 30th September, then the next payment will be on 31st March.
September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Okay, like every 6 months.
Yes.
Okay, now understand.
So August 1st to September 30th, there will be 2-month interest calculation in first installment. To interest. First installment. It will be 1 lakh balance into 10% into 2 by 2.
Okay, sir.
So in first installment, total interest will be 1,667. Actually, there is one more clarification you can say. If you analyze the question, there can be 2 solutions. I have taken assumption, you can say. Assumption means मैंने माना है कि पहला जो इंस्टॉलमेंट होगा 30th सितंबर को होगा, उसके बाद 31st मार्च, देन 30th सितंबर, देन अगेन 31st मार्च. बट इसको हम चेंज भी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कुछ क्लियर कहा नहीं हुआ है. तो हम ये मान के चल सकते हैं कि जिस दिन वो मरा है 1st August on this date, T died. Okay, so we can take 6 months from here. Okay, so it will be August, September, October, November, December, January. So 31st Jan we can take the first installment. Then the next one will be Feb, March, April, May, June, July. 31st July. Again 31st January and then 31st July. So we can take these 4 dates also. But I'm not taking these dates. I'm taking 30th September, 31st March, 30th September, 31st March. Every 6 months of the year means first 6 months I have taken from starting of the year. The starting of the year is 1st April, April, May, June, July, August, September. So September is the first 6 months, then 31st March, then 30th September, then 31st March. So 1667 I have taken. This is the interest. 1667 and cash will be paid 25,000 plus interest all the time. So it will be 26,667. Okay.
Yes,
Any confusion?
तो एक बार शुरू से समझूंगा इसको, एक आप कंप्लीट कर लो, मैं एक बार शुरू से समझूंगा ये कैसे किया आपने।
कौन सा कैसे क्या किया?
मतलब आप दो बार इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हो।
अगर साल में हाफ ईयरली इंस्टॉलमेंट पे होगा तो 2 बार इंटरेस्ट नहीं होगा।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, मंथ 6 मंथ के ले रहे हो ना।
हाँ, तो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि खुद से समझूंगा वाली बात भूल जाइए। आप कंफ्यूज हो जाइए, आपको कुछ पता भी नहीं चलेगा। जो प्रॉब्लम है सवाल पूछिए।
नहीं, मैं ये बोलेगा पूरा कंप्लीट कर ले तब पूछूंगा मैं।
सो उसके बाद जो इंटरेस्ट निकलेगा वो 75,000 पे निकलेगा, 1 लाख पे नहीं, 75 पे, क्योंकि अब हमने 25,000 और पे कर दिया है पहले इंस्टॉलमेंट। सो इंटू 6/12।
ओके।
दूसरे किस्त में इंटरेस्ट का जो अमाउंट है वो है 3,750। 3,750। अब 25,000 को इसमें जोड़ेंगे, फिर से कैश पेमेंट होगा।
यस सर।
28,750। इट इज ऑन March 31st। इट इज ऑन। अब यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट का सवाल होता है कि सर 3 कैश कैसे हो गए? 2 ही होने चाहिए ना, अगर हाफ ईयरली है तो एक साल में 2 होने चाहिए, लेकिन 3 कैसे है? एक जो ये 21,000 है, ये डाउन पेमेंट है, मींस एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ वी हैव paid 21,000 and then the balance is paid in 4 equal annual installment. Oh, sorry, half yearly installment. So these two are installment and this is down payment. So that's why 3. So 1,21,000, 22, 26, 1,27,000, 470. 1,27,470. Here it will be 2 balance CD 0 0. Here 28. It will be is 26, not 27. It will be 0 and then 5. So now this balance will be transferred here in the next period by balance BD 50,000. Again, we have to calculate interest 2 times in this on September 30th and March 31st. So by interest account, it will be 2,500 and the second interest will be 1,250. Now these two interests will be separately added to 25,000. First cash payment, first installment payment will be 25,000 plus 2,500. So 27,500. Then the second will be 25,000 plus 1,250. So 26,250. So it is 3,750 and 53,750. Balance is nil. So this is your solution, half yearly solution. That's why I have solved this one, because it can be confusing, half yearly one. Annually, you can easily prepare. There will be one interest and one installment payment. Actually, let me calculate the interest for third and fourth installment. In third installment, the balance amount payable was 50,000. So into 6 by 12, and in fourth installment, it will be 25,000 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. So 1,250 and then 2,500. Is this clear?
Yeah, wait.
This is your solution.
So why you have written two cash, two cash, two cash?
Where?
After calculating the 1,26,417.
So where I have written two cash, two cash, two cash. Debit side?
Yes, two cash account, two cash account, two cash 27,500, two cash 26,250.
I told you about this.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yes, in the beginning of this solution, I told you that the student get confused about this amount. Actually, when I'm explaining, you are trying to understand the question or you were listening to my words. Tell me.
I'm understanding the questions, but the question meaning first.
That's not the correct way. If I'm explaining something, you don't have to try to understand yourself. You have to listen to me what I'm saying, because I said this clearly that a student get confused about these three amounts. Why I have written three cash, because there will be only two cash payment if half yearly installment is there. So why there is three? So one cash payment is down payment. 21,000 is down payment. At the time of his death, we have paid this amount. So that's
No,
why
no.
one cash.
This one I know. I'm asking the down one. Two cash account 27,500.
So again, two installment. There will be two half yearly
Installment
installment.
50. Okay.
One on 30th September, one on 31st March.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So show me the how you find this one installments. Data, date. Mm, down, sir.
Done.
Wait, sir. Wait.
Okay. First of all, take the screenshot.
Okay, with that thing we have done this thing. Okay.
You have taken this as one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take this one also, because you have to prepare one thing.
Wait. So just a minute. Just taken.
And this one also. So now you have to do prepare capital account. Okay. And I'm leaving for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. And after that, you will show me this solution, this one.
Just a minute, sir. I have to take screenshot of down one. I have not taken. That you shown.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to prepare capital account of this portion, portion number 56. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Prepare this one. I will be back after 5 minutes.
Sir, total 5 minutes left, sir.
Yes, that's why.
Only total 5 minutes left.
Yes, that's why I will back 5 minutes.
Yeah, sir. Wait, I have to understand the
You
question.
can